Okay lang yan. Matagal nang nakalagay sa labas ng kwarto ko tong piano. Tapos dito ko pinapatong mga damit ko na kaka-fold lang. I'm gonna tidy that up. Okay, I'm done. Okay na siyang, naman. See you guys later. Kasi parang I cannot decide this one or this one. Ito na. I'm sure. Okay. Okay na. Ito na yun. Final na. Okay, let's go. Got the goods. Got the goods. Oh my gosh. Okay. 5:55 a.m. and I'm getting ready because my finals ako. It's my last exam for this sem. Yung iba, hindi na, wala nang exams, like outputs na lang. Love that. I'm just gonna pack my bag and then I'll study a little bit more. Review muna tayo kasi mamaya-maya pa ako aalis. It's 6:20. I'm gonna leave na. May hindi ako nagigets and I need their consultation. So yeah, let's go. Done na kami sa finals. We're gonna eat. dressed with me kasi we're going to SNR to buy some stuff. I'll be wearing like this gunny top and white pants. This is gonna be my outfit for today. I just wore an inner. Because I will color my hair with leftover hair dye and some plastic bags because we are impulsive and fun. Ang ingay yung yung gripo. Maingay yung... Wait, patayin ko muna. Gusto ko lang naman siya kulayan para alam mo yung pag natamaan siya ng sunlight, like boo! May kulay. Ayoko i-bleach dahil my hair is damaged enough as it is. Let's just do it. Sana magkulay siya. Yan. Kukulay naman yan. Feels good. Basta may kulay siya under the sunlight. The application is so professional. Ang sabog-sabog ko na. Ano? Oh my gosh! Wait. Yung forehead, go! Ayan, update ko kayo later kung ano yung mangyayari. Or bukas. Or my sunlight. Bye! Ayoko i-bleach dahil my hair is damaged enough as it is. I bleached it and then colored it purple. Okay lang yan. At least, maganda siya. Okay? So, now, I'm finally gonna open this. Sabi ko, hintayin ko mag-Christmas para buksan siya. Pero I can't wait any longer. Kasi gusto ko na siya gamitin. So, let's just open. Nakita niyo naman na kung anong combination yung pinili ko. Actually. Sana. I have the bottle in burrata, the boot in snow cone, the pebble cap in key lime, the loop in oyster. It says Ethan. So cute. This is actually inspired by the Choco Socks. Literally twins. I'm so happy! Tapos, mag-aayos na ako ng damit because we're going to Pangasinan for 2 weeks we'll spend our holiday there. I think this is the end of this video. Yung pagpapack ko, I'll just do it sa next one. Bye!